Hello everyone, we have Kanishka here with us from NLU Delhi. So let's get to know more about her and her experience in the college. Let's start with a basic introduction.
Hi everybody, my name is Kanishka Anchal. I'm a first year student at NLU Delhi, batch 2028.
So how was your first day at college? And like in general, अभी तक कैसा रहा है सब as a fresher?
Okay, so for me, मेरा पहला दिन तो was very cool. इनफैक्ट अभी तक मुझे एज सच तो कोई कॉलेज में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है. सी इट्स वेरी सब्जेक्टिव, वो पर्सन टू पर्सन पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कैसे हाउ डू यू डील विद people, how do you deal with circumstances. So as far as I am concerned, मेरा तो अभी तक everything is good. The seniors are very supportive, professors are good. So yeah, college has been good till now.
Well, I'm really happy, Kanishka, that college has been good to you. But then सबके लिए ऐसा नहीं हुआ होगा. So what are some challenges do you think that आपके friends या कोई face कर रहे हैं अभी hostel life में या फिर college में आकर?
राइट, चैलेंजेस तो होते हैं कॉलेज लाइफ में जब आप स्कूल से और अपना घर छोड़ के आते हो कॉलेज में. सो कॉलेज कैन बी टफ. यू आर देयर बाय योर सेल्फ, तो सब कुछ आपको खुद ही करना पड़ता है, फ्रॉम क्लोथ्स टू डिशेज टू फूड, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. इनफैक्ट अभी बीच में देयर वाज अ फ्लू जो कि कॉलेज स्प्रेड हो गया था. सो एवरीबडी वाज सिक, सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ ओनली. कोई भी यहाँ पर आपको बोलेगा नहीं कि यू रेस्ट और स्टाफ. उसके साथ आपको एकेडमिक्स मैनेज करना है. एंड देन वो फैमिली वाला सपोर्ट नहीं होता है, तो होम सिकनेस होती है लोगों को. देर आर पीपल who are very introverted, so they're not able to communicate. So that is one thing. So there's a lot of challenges that you face when you go into college. So as far as campus is concerned, as compared to other colleges, you kind of feel ki the area is a little small, but you have to also understand ki the student body is around 500 people. So it's like your home only. So the campus area is a little smaller as compared to other colleges. Plus transportation is very good. We have a metro station just right outside college at walking distance. There are e-rickshaws, autos, cabs at your disposal. And then inside the campus we have a cafeteria. There's Amul where you can buy stuff, which opens till 10 or 11 p.m. in the night. So as far as facilities are concerned, there are things घूमने का आसपास. We have a mall just right outside college at walking distance again, Vegas Mall if you've heard, Dwarka. So that is one thing. Plus everything is connected by metro and everything, so you can go. वेल कनेक्टेड एरिया.
स्कूल की पढ़ाई में एंड अभी कॉलेज की पढ़ाई में क्या डिफरेंस है इन जनरल, लाइक प्रोफेसर्स की स्ट्रिक्टनेस एंड स्कूल के टीचर्स, व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस दोनों में?
राइट, सो डिफरेंस तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. स्कूल में देयर इज़ वन थिंग दैट एवरीथिंग इज सर्व्ड टू यू ऑन अ प्लेटर, राइट. So there'll be people who will be telling you about deadlines, there'll be people who will be guiding you, and you know where to study from and what to study, right. आप उस सिस्टम में you've been there for like 10 to 12 years. लेकिन कॉलेज में ये होता है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वहाँ पर there is nobody to tell you on every single day or every single time that you have to do this. You have to be conscious enough कि आपका क्या काम है, आपको उसको कंप्लीट करके जाना ही पड़ेगा. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज देन नो सच स्टडी मटीरियल या फिर कोर्स ऐसा गाइडलाइन नहीं होता. देयर रीडिंग्स, यू रीड रिसर्च पेपर्स इन एवरीथिंग. सो उनको एनालाइज करना. सो द कोर्स करिकुलम एज वेल एज द मेथड ऑफ लर्निंग इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्कूल. तो एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ कि यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्शियस इनफ कि आपका क्या काम है एंड व्हाट यू सपोज टू डू इन कॉलेज. तो वहाँ पर टीचर्स बार बार आपको बोलेंगे नहीं कि सबमिट योर नोटबुक्स या सबमिट योर प्रोजेक्ट्स या फिर कुछ भी. अगर आपने करा तो करा, दैट्स गुड फॉर यू. अगर नहीं करा तो फेल.
हाउ इज़ द हॉस्टल लाइफ एंड हॉस्टल की फैसिलिटीज़?
द हॉस्टल लाइफ इज़ pretty decent. The food is also good as compared to other colleges as far as I've heard. So we served 4 meals a day. ब्रेकफास्ट में इफ़ यू आर वरीड अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन एवरीथिंग, सर्टेन ऑप्शंस जो कि फिक्स्ड होते हैं. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर डिशेज दैट डिफर फ्रॉम डे टू डे. सो देर आर एग्स, sprouts and everything. So health is also taken care of. We are served fruits also. And yeah, the meal is pretty decent. As far as rooms are concerned, we have AC rooms, so that is one thing. We have a heating system also in our rooms for winters. And the washrooms are common. Plus there's triple sharing in the first or second year, and from fourth year onwards there's double sharing. And yeah, that's it. The water is not that great. There's hard water, तो उसका थोड़ा problem रहता है. Apart from that, drinking water, we have RO water in the systems, so that is good.
So my last question is the standard last question which I ask. Any tips for the viewers who are law aspirants who want to get into NLU Delhi?
There are few things that I would like to tell everybody. So first thing is that you need to be very open-minded in your approach when you go to college, because you have to understand there are diverse category of people that you're going to meet. There are people from like different places in India and abroad as well, and then from different social culture backgrounds. So you have to be very accepting in your approach. That is one. So the second thing is that while you're preparing, you need to take guidance from people who have been through all of this, right? Who are from the NLU network, right? Because that is very important, because you have to understand the first hand experience that you get, you won't get it anywhere. Preparing for CLAT and ALET is one thing, but to go into college and handle things is a very big task in itself, right? So as far as I am concerned, my mentor, he himself studied at NUJS. He had taught a lot of people who are now studying in the top 5 NLUs in India. So that really helped me to understand what to expect and what not to, even before college. And there are a lot of seniors that I met before going to college also. So that kind of understanding of college and how to deal with things is one thing that really helps you to survive. So yeah, that is important. Thirdly, it's very good to have a goal set for yourself. But ये भी देखो कि when you go to like the tier 1 NLUs, इतनी सारी opportunities will come through your way. So to explore them, to consider all of them is very important. Because हम लोग पहले से हमारे लिए गोल सेट करके रख लेते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ जाके you never know when you try something that clicks. So one thing is that be open to every opportunity that comes through your way. And apart from that, yes, you need to be very respectful in your approach when you deal with people, because you have to understand कि as far as students are concerned, सब लोग ALET या फिर CLAT clear करके आते हैं, तो they've been toppers, they've been good students all their life. So don't underestimate anybody. And as far as professors and faculty is concerned, वो सब लोग अपनी field में they've done so much and they've achieved such great things in their field. So वो वहाँ पर पढ़ा रहे हैं not because they're forced to, because they like it. So in general, you need to be very respectful in your approach when you deal with people. So yeah, that is very important.
So you basically think that ये mentorship से you had a benefit of doubt, because that is why you settled well in college, touchwood. That's a good thing. But as far as I know, and even my experience also was not very good when you settled in college. So having a mentor helps there, because then you knew the reality beforehand because of the mentors that were provided by Study Anchor.
Right.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kanishka.